Chapter 14, Compatible Occupations. Since numerology can accurately pinpoint characteristics, personality traits, inherent powers, talents, and desires, it stands to reason that it is the ideal method by which to determine what careers or avocations you are best suited for and where success is most imminent. Why waste years of your life pursuing occupations for which you are clearly unsuited? Unfortunately, many of us go into our parents' established businesses or follow professions chosen by them and do not wish to make them unhappy by insisting on following our own inclinations. This can be disastrous in more ways than one. Often, too, there are those who really do not know what they want to do. Universities are loaded with students who still haven't made that all-important decision. Therefore, all those years and the money put into their education cannot be as effective or rewarding as choosing a definite vocation and keying their courses toward that end. To find your compatible occupation, use your destiny number. Add together the day, month, and year of your birth and reduce the total to a single digit. Example for the date of birth of November 17th, 1941. So we have November, which is an 11, but remember we're going to add them together. So we got 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 plus 1 for 11 for November. The 17th plus 1, 7 plus the year 1941. 1 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1. Now we're going to add them together, okay? When you add them together, you will have a total of 25. Now, because we're trying to get to a single digit, we're going to add those two digits together, okay? 2 plus 5 equals 7, which is the destiny number. So this person's birthday for November 17th, 1941, their destiny number is a 7. To find your compatible occupation, check the following sections. In this case, you would check the 7. You will notice that many occupations reappear under several numbers, which is normal because the talents found in individual numbers are necessary in many occupations. A playwright, for instance, must be creative, number 3. He must also be capable of intense concentration, number 4, and have the gift of words, number 5. So don't be confused if your profession appears in several categories. It merely means that whatever your strong points are, you can make them work for you in various ways in your career. So you have quite a choice.